What's going on, guys? Today is Taco Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you how to make tequila lime shrimp tacos real fast and easy on our M16 steak cooker. Let's get it. So today we're doing our tequila lime shrimp as part of a collaboration with Kenneth over at What's New Barbecue. So I'll put his channel link down below, so make sure you go check out What's New Barbecue. But we're gonna do two versions of tequila lime shrimp tacos. One, we're gonna use some NTBA smoke shake. That's right, the NTBA, North Texas Barbecue Addict Smoke Shake. We're gonna put some of that on one of the tacos, and the other we're gonna use Suckle Busters. The Suckle Busters lemon pepper garlic. So I haven't had a chance to use lemon pepper garlic from Suckle Busters yet, so I'm excited about trying that out today. So we're gonna get this cook going. Let's get these shrimp marinated so we can get it going. All right, let's get into it. All right, so what I've got here, guys, is I've got a pound of shrimp here that's already shelled and deveined. I've got here about a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon and a half of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of lime juice, and we're rocking about a tablespoon and a half of tequila. Tequila of your choice, whatever you decide you want to use, go for it. We got that all in our bag here. We're going to go ahead and zip up our bag, and we're just going to make sure we get all of this coated in this marinade. All right, so now that we got our shrimp on our marinade, all we're going to do is I'm going to take this shrimp, we're going to place it in our refrigerator, and we're going to get the grill fired up so we can get ready to get this shrimp on. All right, so I'm going to get this in the fridge and I will meet you guys at the grill. So today we're going to be using our M16 from MGrillz. This is a fantastic steak cooker. I've done some videos on it before, so they're out there if you want to check them out. I'll probably go ahead and link them so you guys can check it out. But we're going to be running some Fogo premium lump charcoal on this thing today, so we're going to go ahead and get a chimney of that Fogo lit up, and we're going to get this grill lit. All right, so let's get this grill going now. I want to give a huge shout out to my man Dash over at Steel Drum Smokers Barbecue. Thank you, sir, for the awesome shirt. If you guys don't know about Dash and Steel Drum Smokers Barbecue, I'll put a link to his channel down below. Make sure you go check him out. All right, now let's get to Barbecue Boulevard and some tequila lime shrimp. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've got my shrimp out and I went ahead and put them on skewers. And so we have one skewer that we're going to do with NTBA, and the other one's going to be with the Suckle Busters lemon pepper garlic. So we're going to just sprinkle this right onto our shrimp here. Flip this over. Okay, and this one we're going to get with our Suckle Busters lemon pepper garlic. All right, so there we go. Our shrimp is all seasoned up, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and get these on the grill. So first we're gonna give it a little spray. Alright, guys, so we just got our shrimp off of the grill. We're going to get them assembled here in a minute with these tacos, but we got to get our tortillas warmed up. And so this gives me the opportunity to give a big shout out to my man Michael Wyant for hooking me up with these flour tortillas. This is from Flores Tortillas, guys. Michael Wyant, formerly of Flores Barbecue, is now making Flores tortillas. So we got our hands on some of these flour tortillas, and these happen to be beef fat tortillas. So we're talking beef tallows made into these tortillas. So this is going to be really good. So let's get these tortillas warmed up so we can get these tacos put together. All right, let's do it. So before we partake in this taco, I just want to mention, hey, what goes better with a taco than a, nope, it's not a margarita. This right here, guys, this is the jug. If you don't know about the jug, I'm going to put a link right here so you guys can check out the jug. So let's get into these tacos.